Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious vegetable soup. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of chopped carrots, 1 cup of celery, and 1 large onion. Make sure your cooking area is clean and your tools, like a sturdy cutting board and a sharp knife, are ready. Dicing your vegetables into consistent, bite-sized pieces is key for even cooking and a pleasant texture in every spoonful. Now, let's build the foundation of our soup's flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onions, carrots, and celery. Sauté these aromatics for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the onions become translucent and fragrant. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until it's aromatic, being careful not to burn it. It's time to add the liquids and bring our soup to life. Carefully pour in 6 cups of high-quality vegetable broth and 1 standard 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, undrained. Bring the entire mixture to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low, allowing it to gently simmer. Now, season generously with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and your favorite dried herbs, like 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Our soup is almost ready. Let it continue to simmer gently for another 20 to 30 minutes, or until all the vegetables are perfectly tender when pierced with a fork. This simmering time allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, always taste and adjust the seasonings to your preference. A final touch of fresh chopped parsley or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese adds a wonderful aroma and visual appeal. Enjoy your homemade vegetable soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.